Hello and welcome. In the last video, we talked about Coulomb's law, and we have seen some cases where two charges exert force on each other. And in this video, we are going to talk about electric fields. Now, we know that for two particles that are directly not in contact, they can exert force on each other also. But here, the way they act on each other, the way they exert the forces on each other is quite different. So suppose here is one charged particle and here is another. The method by which this particle will exert a force on this one is that this particle will create a field around this one, and when this particle comes in the region of this field, at some point in the region of this field, this will feel a force. If the force is repulsive, then the motion of this particle will be this way, and if it's attractive, it will be going this way. So a particle that is exerting a force on this one exerts it through a field. This kind of forces exerted by electric charges introduces the concept of electric field. Now, how are we going to simplify it? Now, we know from Coulomb's law, suppose this particle was having a charge q, and this particle here is having a charge small q. We know from Coulomb's law, if the distance between them is r, small r, the force between them becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square, and it will be directed this way if they are having the same sign. That is, now suppose instead of this q charge here, we have replaced this charge with unit charge. Then the force becomes this thing. The force on this unit charge due to a charge q represents the value of the electric field at a distance r at this point. So we can sum the concept of electric field up pretty easily. It is the electric field, it is the force that a particle gets at a point if that particle has unit charge. So this is the force exerted on unit charge. We can write as this is the relation between the electric field and Coulomb force. Now you can see this is the expression of electric field for the charge q at a distance r. This quantity here is not exactly the electric field. Electric field is the property that due to which a force gets attracted to this one or gets repelled from this one. This is the magnitude of the electric field, and we in vector notation we call it the intensity of the electric field. But in short, or to save some space, we can always refer to this as electric field, and all the standard textbooks do so. So up next we are going to discuss how the electric fields behave when more than one charge is present. So we know for a isolated charge, electric fields will be directed like this. That is, if you take a positive charge here, the force will be directed along this direction when both these charges are positive. If you take it here, the force will be in this direction. Take it here, this direction. Take it here, this direction. That is radially outward. Now, we will not be fortunate enough to get such simple cases everywhere. There will be multiple charges. So, to show you how those things are worked out, I am going to consider two charges at a point. Here one and here is another. So the field lines will be like this. Now at this point, field lines will be like this. How are they becoming like this? Why are not they along like they're not crossing each other? Because a electric field here will have only one direction. When two vectors are crossing each other, here you see two vectors are crossing at this point. So if a particle is here, this thing means that it will experience force in both the directions. Since this is not really physically meaningful, we will replace this with its equivalent, that is the addition of these two vectors that will be along this direction. That is exactly the case that is happening here. The field due at this point due to this charge will be directed along this direction, and due to this charge will be directed along this direction, and from the vector sum of these two, the sum of these two fields will be located along these directions. So you can see the field lines are pointing this way.